Whether you're learning to make cocktails or you're a professional bartender, you should have the right tools. Our Fine Dine 14-piece cocktail set contains everything you will need. Our set is made with durable stainless steel and includes 18 and 28 ounce shaker tins, a Hawthorne strainer, a double cocktail jigger, a flat bottle opener, two 2-ounce shot glasses, a bar spoon, and 6 stainless pouring spouts, and all the pieces are dishwasher safe. The set is so easy to use. Here are some tips. The Boston Shaker consists of 2 shaking tins for mixing drinks. It creates a very tight seal. The set also includes a Hawthorne strainer to remove ice as it is poured into the serving glass, a wide design double cocktail jigger for accurate measurements to ensure great drinks, a sleek heavy-duty 7-inch flat bottle opener, a long spoon for mixing and layering of mixed drinks. It doubles as a muddler to muddle fruits and herbs, and 6 stainless pouring spouts for accuracy and mess-free pouring. Our recipe guide will show you how to make 17 popular cocktails, or you can be creative and mix your very own craft cocktail. The Fine Dine cocktail set will be a wonderful addition to your home or make a cherished gift for a friend. If you're looking for a cocktail set, you just found it.